Alright, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create water in Blender. So what you want to do is click Shift A and then add in a UV sphere. Then you want to scale it down and move it along the Z axis, pressing G. Make sure it's above the cup, then go to Object and go to Quick Effects. And then go Quick Liquid. Then what you want to do is click Tab to go into Edit Mode. And then that outlined box, you want to scale it down because that represents the boundary of which the water is going to be in. And once you've done that, go to Physics. And then over here, where the resolution is, the higher the number is, the more realistic the water will be. But also the higher you put it, the more powerful PC you'll need. Recommended is 100. But I'm just going to leave it at 32. Then scroll down, make sure mesh is selected, and then go to type and select all. And then go out of edit mode by clicking tab, then select the cup, go to fluid, and then change the type to effector. And then you want to change the surface thickness to 0.5. just in case if the water seeps through the cup. If it doesn't, then you don't need to add 0.5. Then select the sphere and change the geometry to inflow. And go back to selecting the box, go down and select bake all, and that's pretty much it. Then you're good to click play. Don't forget to like and subscribe.